Wow, take a look at this. Every time I copy and paste one special link, I receive payments of $27 to $47. I can do this as much as I want, so it's easy to receive $1,000 payouts like these that go directly to my bank account. These big payments are not a rare occurrence, and I receive them every single week. In fact, on a bad day, I make a minimum of $500. Yes, you heard that right. Making $500 in a day is slow for us. Just imagine, would an extra $500 per day help you out? Of course it would. So, how do I pull it off? How am I receiving payments of $27 to $47 for copying and pasting one special link? It's all possible thanks to Monarch. You see, we discovered a $950 billion loophole found inside of Facebook's servers. This loophole was opened up by Facebook changing their company to Meta and focusing on something called the Metaverse. And we've figured out how to exploit it by copying and pasting one special link. Each time we do it, we receive payments of $27 to $47, and that's the bare minimum. These payments have been as large as $1,000. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started. All it takes is just 3 steps. Step 1, take the special link we give you and hit copy. Step 2, next, paste the link where we show you. And step 3, we profit. Each time we copy and paste this link, we get paid around $27 to $47. That's it. There's nothing else to do. It's just like that Geico commercial where it's so easy a caveman can do it. So even if nothing else has worked for you before, give this a try and you won't be disappointed. With Monarch, there are no barriers, no domain required, no hosting required, no website required, no hard work, no technical skills, no e-commerce, no product creation, no headaches, no flaming hoops to jump through, no nonsense. Monarch gives you everything you need to start seeing results, and no experience is required either. Whether you've been trying to make money online for 2 weeks or 2 years, it doesn't matter. Just copy and paste the special link we give you, and you're all set. This isn't rocket science, but Monarch certainly produces atomic-like results. So, how much will Monarch cost you? You're probably thinking a system like Monarch would be expensive, and you're partly right. Monarch was originally reserved for our high-paying coaching students who invested a minimum of $2,997. But to celebrate going public, we're going to sell this at a price anyone can afford. Not $2,997, not $997, not $97, not even $27. Just a one-time investment equivalent to a cheap t-shirt grants you full access to Monarch. That's not too much to ask for a system that's backed by years of results. And most importantly, it's dead easy to use. But there is a catch. This discount will only be available to the early bird users of Monarch. Frankly, we don't want tire kickers in our community. We want people who take action quickly, because those are people who we can help succeed. With that being said, if you want access to Monarch, if you want to exploit the $950 billion Facebook loophole, then don't wait. And there's no risk with our 180-day better than money back guarantee. If you don't see results, just let us know within 180 days and we'll send your money back plus another $200 for wasting your time. There's no way for you to lose here. Listen, it's time to make a decision. I'm not going to try to convince you anymore. It's either now or never. Pick up a copy of Monarch or continue what you're doing and hope that you succeed someday. The choice is yours, my friend. Click the button below to grab a copy of Monarch while it's still available at a low one-time price. We'll see you inside.